Hello beautiful people, hope you all doing fine. Recently we crossed 100 subscribers. Thank you all for supporting my art. It's a big achievement for me. And also apologies as I couldn't upload in recent time due to technical issues. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's jump to our new DIY project of shadow box. For this you need thick chart paper or 300 GSM paper. I will be doing 5 layers, so I took 5 chart paper sheets. Pencil, X-Acto knife, fairy lights, sunboard or cardboard, glue gun, glue, tape. First mark 1 cm border on all chart paper sheets. Next, I had drawn some reference images of Kelvin and Hobbes on simple paper. Now I will make different layers out of this image by transferring them on the chart paper. For transferring, I will shade backside of this paper. Now place it on the chart paper and trace the outlines. Once done tracing, highlight the lines as it will be easy for us while cutting. Also, if you want to add anything in your design, you can do it here. I will be making moon on this layer, and to make stars, I will simply poke some holes using pointed tip of this compass. Okay, my all 5 layers are ready. Remember, the last layer will be plain without any drawing. Let's cut it now. While cutting, don't cut beyond the borders. If you can't remove big pieces, cut and remove small pieces like this. Cut all the layers like this. Next, I took thermocol for making the borders. You can use cardboard or even sunboard. Since this thermocol was lying around my house and it's easy to cut thermocol, I am using this. I will mark and cut strips of 1 cm width. This thermocol is around 1.5 cm thick, so my 2 layers will be 1.5 cm apart. It is very important to keep distance of at least 1 cm between 2 layers so that light diffuses and each layer is visible perfectly. Now we will stick them to the borders of chart paper. We will start with the last layer, that is plain chart sheet. Apply glue and stick. Now we will apply glue and stick second layer on this. Here I had cut two triangles at the bottom so that light passes through it onto the next layer which are covering it. These are some of the adjustments you can do to make your design better. Here you can see this layer completely covering those triangles. If we didn't cut that, then this part would have been little less brighter. After this, on top layer border, you can stick transparent projector sheet. Now we will make box to keep our shadow box and to put lights. While making box, keep at least 2 cm at the back so that we can place light there. Here I am making box out of sunboard. You can even use cardboard. Cut and stick it using glue gun. Here my box is ready. I also made border at the top so that our shadow box won't come out. Now slowly place it on the shadow box. I will cut small piece here for passing wires. Spread the light properly here. Here I am using tape to close this side, as sometime I might require to adjust lights or change anything. It will be easy. Okay, so our shadow box is ready. Do let me know how it looks. I loved the Calvin and Hobbes cartoon character. Which is your favorite? You too can make something similar. Hope you will find this DIY interesting. Keep showering your love through your likes and comments. Your every like and comment is valuable for me. I will try to reply all your comments. So do comment whatever you feel, whether you like or I need to improve, anything. Subscribe for more such videos. Be creative and keep creating. And I will see you next time with something new. Peace.